Hey lovelies, it's another cooking day. Today I'm making okra soup. Delicious, yummicious, sumptuous okra soup. And these are the raw ingredients I'm going to be using to cook the okra soup. Okay, I'll just tell you all their names. And then I'll take you through the process of making the yummicious okra soup. Okay, right now you have, I'll be pointing at them and telling you the names. This is red oil, and this is my Okro leaf. It was cut in the market for me. This is uziza leaf. It's very spicy. It's very good in okra soup. Okay, this is isam. I just brought it out from the freezer. It's still blocked. And this is my okra. I'm going to cut it. No, some people cut with knife, but today I want to grate. I'm going to grate it like the market women do grate their own. So I'll use grater and grate it small. And I have my small meat. If I tell you this meat inside that this thing is 1,000, you won't believe. Very tiny meat. Things are quite expensive now. Even though I don't really need so much meat for the soup. Okay, so this is Iru in Yoruba. We call it Ogri in Igbo. Hausa calls it. What does Hausa people call? I don't even know. Dawa, yes, it is dawa. Then this is yellow pepper. The Igbos call it osensoka. The flavor is very nice in soup, whether soup or stew or anything you cook with it is very nice. It's very spicy too, so you don't use plenty of it. Okay, that's it. Then I have the Cameroon pepper. I have my crayfish, my salt, and the Maggi. No, the cubes, seasoning cubes. That's what I'll call it, because there are two of them there. This is Knorr and Gino. Okay. Then I have the onions. I have my stockfish. I have the, what do they call it? Bomo and smoked fish. The smoked fish here. 1K. Someone said if you're buying plenty Titus fish now, that you're either a 419 as a Yahoo boy or you're a politician. It's really expensive now. Okay, so those are the ingredients. I hope you got all the names. For those that don't know how to cook, you can actually learn now. Alright, okay, lovely people, I'm done with the preparation of all the ingredients. That's the okra there, I grated it. The ugu has been washed, the uziza washed, onions peeled. I added another onion bulb, okay, because I felt that one was just too small. Then that's the oil. I've blended the yellow pepper inside the blender. You can see it. You have the iru. You have the stockfish. I washed the stockfish. I cut the bomo and and I've washed the smoked fish. I've also washed the periwinkles and I washed the meat. And those are the salt, bouillon cubes, and crayfish and Cameroon pepper. Okay, so right now I'm just going to put the meat in the pot, add the bomo and stockfish, and I put onion, Cameroon pepper, bouillon cubes, salt, and allow it to boil. But before I add I'll add all these things, allow it to boil a little before I add water. And what's the essence? So that the meat can bring out its own stock, its own small water before I add water. Okay, it's sweeter like that. Don't just add water when you're boiling meat. You wait a little, wait for the meat to bring out its own little water. Okay, people, you can see the meat, the stockfish and the bomo is now on fire. I'm boiling it first, okay? Then I added the onion, the black pepper, the yellow pepper, small crayfish, and the Knorr cubes, Gino cubes, and salt. That's all that is there. A little crayfish. I'm going to add more crayfish later. Okay, so I'll allow it to bring out its own water. I'm sure the water is coming out now, and then I'll add a little water. It's a small soup, so I don't have to put plenty water in the meat. It's just cooking for two. Okay. All right. Now I've added water and it's boiling. Later I'll cover it and come and check later. So when the meat is soft, I'll add the other ingredients. The yellow pepper is really spicy. The aroma is very lovely. Yellow pepper mixed with black pepper. Oh, it's good. It's going to be really tasty. So I'll come back to check. I'll cover it, then come back later to check if the meat is soft. Okay guys, the meat is soft now. I'm just going to add the oil. For oil, I like plenty oil, so the oil is according to your taste and the size of the soup. I'm just going to add. The oil is very thick. This should be enough. It's a small soup. Okay, oil added. The next thing I'm going to add is the periwinkle. Okay, that's added. I need to add the youuuuuu. I like youuuuuu in okro soup. This is one kind of food. Okay, that's the youuuuuu added. Then I add my fish, my smoked Titus fish. Okay. The only ingredients remaining now is the okro, and the vegetables, ugu and leaf. Okay, I'm just going to add them to let this oil just boil small. Then I'll add the okro, add the ugu, add the leaf at the same time, because okro doesn't need to cook for so long. And I will now add a little crayfish, just for that crayfish taste. It's boiling. The aroma is super. Okay, now I will now add the okra, add the vegetables, and the other vegetables. I think this is okra, and this is leaf. On them together. Now the soup is ready. Okay, it doesn't take much time. Now I want to add a little crayfish. Crown it up. Just a little. And I will turn, and our soup is ready. Okay. Okay, I've turned it. This is our yummicious, delicious, sumptuous okra soup. It's ready. Okay. Okay guys, our delicious, sumptuous, yummy, tasty okra soup is ready. Oh, I wish you are here to taste it. Okay, so I'm going to do justice to this okra soup with my current fufu. Some people, you can use fufu, you can use eba, you can use poundo plantain, poundo yam, or even poundo oats. Yeah, okay. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to click a like on the video and leave your comments in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.